Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to send an email. So once you are at this page, simply go and click on campaigns here in this list panel. Once you are at this page, make sure to click on Create Campaign and make sure to select email or SMS, whatever suits you. For us, we said email, so then click as Create Campaign. Here, as you can see, you will have to enter the name and, of course, select the tags of the people that you want to receive this email. Here, you will have to enter you can choose like the list or segments of the recipient and the list of the segments or the segments of people that you don't want them to receive your email. You can even enable tracking if you want. And once you finish setting all of this, you can actually set, let's just choose this as an example, just choose this. And here, let's just click add continue to content. So we can actually fill the content of the email. Let's just dismiss this. As you can see here, just enter the subject line. Let's say as an example for me, it's a test. Here, preview text. So just write whatever you want and the preview text. And of course, how you would like to design your email. You can just list it as text only or drag and drop. You can create an email using drag and drop editor, or you can use that with a custom code your email for complete your control. For me, I'm just going to choose this text only. Once I click on it, as you can see, they are giving me here the option to just enter my text. So let's use an example. Yeah, I'm just gonna add here some things as an example. Then click at Save Content. Here, simply click at Continue to Review. And as you can see, ready to send. Once you check everything is good, click at Schedule or Send. And as you can see, you can send it now or schedule it. For me, I'm just going to click at Send it now. Then click on Send now. And I'm going to be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.